Hello Barbie lovers, welcome back to another video from Fantastic Life in Plastic. Today we're gonna open and review a doll that I tried to order many times actually. I saw her, it's the Fashionista from 2016 I think. Fashionista number 43, Lacey blue, and I tried to order her online, and then after I ordered it they canceled 3 times over a month. Then finally I found her, I ordered it, and I got her today. Finally, I really like her. There are two main reasons why I like this doll and I wanted it. The first one is because I saw she's got this heeled feet. It's not like the other tall dolls, they all have the flat feet, which I don't really like it because you don't have as many shoe options as with this type of fit. So that's reason number one. The reason number two is because she's tall, and I kind of like tall dolls. So let's see what she looks like. So yeah, I actually have some shoes over here. Here you can see them. That I think they're actually kind of the same, so I want to try them on her and see if they fit. Let's first take her out from here carefully. Okay, let me do that first. Okay, so I got her out of the box. She is really beautiful. She's got bangs. She's got this beautiful beauty mark near her eye. I like her hair. So first let's try with the shoes. So let's remove this one first and see if the other shoes fit her. Yep, they fit. Perfect. Let's try with this gray boot. Not really. I mean, they do like kind of different though. I'm not really sure if they fit or not. I don't think they do actually. The first one did. The others didn't. No, well that's a shame. Well, I think I have more shoes like the other one that should fit. Let's try with this one. No, this one definitely doesn't. Okay, let's go into the shoe box and see. Nope, totally different kind of fit. Okay, that's a shame. I mean, I still really like her. I like her little blue dress. She's got two other outfits. It's a little pink with shorts, pink top with shorts, and this dress. I actually thought when I saw it first, I thought it was two pieces, but no, it's one piece. Still kind of pretty, though the pink fabric feels actually kind of cheap, nothing special to be honest, but it looks pretty, it looks good. The blue one, I'm surprised by the blue one because it looks better than it did in the picture. So yep, pretty satisfied I'll say with this doll. Not as much as I thought I would be, especially because I waited a lot for it. But yeah, she's pretty. She's got this bag. She comes with another pair of shoes. Not my favorite, but they're nice. This is like a briefcase, quite pretty. I wonder maybe she can use the shoes that I've got for my curvy dolls. Maybe she's got the same type of fit. Yeah, I think they might fit her. I don't have any of those here right now. Let's try with this orange one. Yep, definitely no. That's a no for this. I hate that Mattel is doing this weird fit, and they don't really producing enough shoes for this kind of dolls, because I really like shoes. Okay, this one kind of fit, you'll say, and it looks good with her skin tone. I'll have to check among all the other shoes that I've got to see if I find something that I can put on her. But overall, I'll say she's a pretty good purchase. I mean, she wasn't so expensive, so it's okay, and she is worth every penny. I love her face, I love her beauty mark. I'm gonna add earrings. I'm gonna change her outfit and maybe put it in something I've done, I'm not sure, and I'll be posting a picture of her new look on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not yet. You can also subscribe here so you can get notifications when we upload new videos, and I hope you like it. Bye.